Ali, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Since my last video, I have been having so much fun playing with the new Tropical Twilight palette that Tammi did with Revolution. So today I thought I would film a tutorial for you guys on this eye look that I have come up with. So if you guys do want to see how I achieved this look using this palette, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get into this video, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Also hit the bell notification button if you would like to join the notification gang and be notified when I post a new video. But anyway, we didn't come here for me to yappa in your faces, so let's get into this tutorial. First, I'm going to prime my eyelid, and I'm just using this Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just going to put this all over my eyelid. And then blend it out with my beauty blender. Now that I've set the concealer, I'm going to take my Morphe M431 brush and the shade Horizon from the palette, and I'm literally just going to pack this into my crease area. And I love this brush for this because it's just so precise. And without taking any more product on the brush, I'm just going to swivel this same brush around just to diffuse the edges a little bit so I can blend it in better with my next shade. This palette is super pigmented. If you guys haven't seen my swatches, I will leave a link in the description box down below, and you can see the swatches of literally every shade in this palette. I've been really loving playing with it so far. If you guys have it, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know how you're finding the palette and everything. And now I'm going back in with my M431 and the shade Horizon, and I'm just reinforcing that deep shade back into my crease. Taking some of that Too Faced Born This Way concealer on a flat brush, I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease to outline where I want this kind of shimmery colours to be. I'm not doing anything like crazy precise, just outlining where I want the colour. And it's not like super sharp or anything like that. Taking the shade Sunrays and my Morphe M152, I'm going to pack this colour onto half of my lid. So I'm only going to put it halfway because I'm using another colour on the second half. So I'm just going to build up this lovely gold in that crease area where we've just put the concealer. I love this gold. I love it. If you guys that saw my last video, I did use it in my last look as well. So it's definitely going to be one of the colours that I hit pan on first. And now just flipping that same brush over and going into this shade Afterglow, I'm going to put this on the rest of my eyelid, and I'm going to blend it in to the gold shade once I've built up the colour. So first I'm just packing on that colour until I get the amount that I want. So this is pretty much what you should be left with after you've blended that out. I'm going to go ahead and finish the look using my Kiko eyeliner in the black shade, and I'm going to line my waterline with this. Just because I like a little bit of an intensity in my eye looks, I do like to have that pop of black pretty much whenever I do an eye look, unless I figure something else out. I haven't done like a coloured under eye in some time, so I'm going to do it just for the sake of this look. So I'm going in with a mixture of Horizon and Sundown on my brush here, and I'm just going to add a little bit underneath my eye. Now just taking any mascara, today I'm using my Tarte one. I'm just going to coat my lashes before I go ahead and glue on my falsies. I don't know, something about this look today, I don't know, I just kind of feel like if I was feeling it, I would definitely just wear this as is with just a coat of mascara. I'm going to give this a couple of minutes to dry down, then I'm going to pop some lashes on top, and I will be right back. So this is how everything looks once I've added some lashes. Today I went for a bit of a more dramatic lash. I haven't done one in quite some time, and I was kind of in a go big or go home kind of mood today. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I really do like how this look turned out, and I'm having so much fun playing with this palette. If there's any other looks that you guys want me to do, then go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.